Hi, and welcome to C Programming for Arduino, a step-by-step guide. Now that you have understand the logic operators, let's write the body of our function. Our algorithm says that if the year can be evenly divided by 4, but not by 100, it is a leap year. The exception occurs if the year is evenly divided by 4, then it is a leap year. Let's take this down part by part. First, the statement "if the year can be evenly divided by 4" means that dividing the year by 4 should not produce a remainder after division. This is precisely what the modulo operator is intended for. It returns the remainder after the integer division. You can write this element of the algorithm as the given logical expression. Second, the statement "but not by 100" is actually saying but the year is not evenly divided by 100. Again, modulo operator is designed for this type of operation, so you can write the expression like this. Taken together, if both of these expressions are true, the year is a leap year. Therefore, you can write the two expressions like this. Now, we will deal with the third expression which says that the exception occurs if the year is evenly divided by 4, then it is a leap year. The algorithm states that regardless of the two expressions, if this expression is true, then it is a leap year. You can write this expression like this. Now we can say that if one of these expressions is true, then the year is a leap year. Clearly, this is a situation where the OR operator is needed. The final expression looks like this. Now that you have broken the algorithm down into its component expressions, you can write the test on year to determine whether the year is a leap year or not. The complete if test becomes like this. As we have written the code for our function body, we can now proceed towards writing the complete function code like this. It is a good practice to write documentation of the function in multi-line commands so that anyone can understand it easily. The first line defines the task that this particular function is supposed to address. The next statement tells the nature of the data that are being passed into the function. The third line shows the interpretation of returned data. If you enter the black box with an empty backpack, then you should still have a parameters section. In that case, however, we just specify void for parameter list. Consider the following code. This program takes the year from the user and determines whether it is a leap year or not. You can see that this program calls many functions. One of these functions is or is leap year function. In this code, the setup function simply establishes the communication rate and initializes the serial buffer. You can think of the serial buffer as a small 128-byte section of memory devoted to storing data from the serial port. In the loop function, the call to the serial variable function returns the number of the data bytes that are currently in the serial buffer. If any data are available, several working variables are defined and the program calls read line function. Here, our function is called and the result is printed on the basis of the output. This is the code of our function and this is the code for function read line. Note that both these functions must be written outside the loop of the main program and called when needed inside the loop of the program. To activate the program, place the cursor in the text box at the top of the serial monitor dialog box and type in the year to text. Click on the send button to transfer the data to the serial buffer of the microcontroller board. The call to isLeapYear function then causes the appropriate message to be sent back to the PC. Make sure to see the new line choice in the drop-down list box at the bottom of the monitor. Now let's see this code work. This is the main program. This is the function which we have developed. This is the readline function. You can see that both these functions are called in the main program. Now click on the compile. As compiling is done, upload the program. program is uploaded, go to serial monitor and click on it. This is the serial monitor. Make sure to select new line here. Now enter year 2012 in the text box. Click send. So this is a leap year. Now enter 2010. Now you can see this is not a leap year. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Take care and goodbye.